Welcome back to the channel. If you just got the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro or want to get even more out of your earbuds, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 must-have Galaxy Buds 4 Pro accessories for 2026, featuring accessories that enhance comfort, protection, charging convenience, and everyday use. We've tested these picks for quality, compatibility, and overall value, so you know exactly what's worth adding to your setup. Let's dive in and upgrade your Galaxy Buds experience. On number 1 is the Elago Duo Case for Samsung Galaxy Buds 4/Buds 4 Pro. Is a stylish and practical protective cover designed to keep your earbuds safe while adding portability. It uses a dual material design with soft silicone on the bottom and clear TPU on the top, giving a combination of durability, grip, and a clean, modern look. The silicone layer helps protect the charging case from scratches, dirt, and small drops, while the TPU lid resists fingerprints and keeps the case looking neat over time. It also comes with a metal carabiner clip, allowing you to attach the earbuds to a backpack, belt loop, or bag for easier carrying during travel or daily use. The case is wireless charging compatible, so you can charge the earbuds without removing the cover, and it includes precise cutouts for the LED indicator and charging port. The lightweight design keeps the earbuds compact while still adding everyday protection. However, the clear TPU top may eventually show minor discoloration after long use, and the clip design may not appeal to users who prefer a minimal look. Overall, it's a good balance of style, portability, and protection for Galaxy Buds users. Pros: dual silicone plus TPU design for durability, includes carabiner for easy carrying, supports wireless charging without removing the case. Cons: clear top may discolor over time, limited heavy drop protection. Carabiner may feel unnecessary for some users. On number 2 is the HANDY-GAD Cleaner Kit for AirPods Pro/Bluetooth earphones. Is a compact multifunction cleaning tool designed to keep earbuds and charging cases free from dust, earwax, and debris. It usually features a 3-in-1 design with a metal pen tip, high-density brush, and soft flocking sponge, allowing users to clean different parts of earbuds safely and effectively. The metal tip helps remove stubborn dirt from small gaps and speaker grills, while the soft brush clears dust from the sound outlet and microphone holes. The flocking sponge is ideal for cleaning the inside of the charging case without scratching the surface. The pen-style design makes it portable, lightweight, and easy to store, so it can be carried in a pocket, bag, or tech kit. It works not only for AirPods, but also for Bluetooth earbuds, phones, keyboards, cameras, and other small electronics. The tool is made from materials like ABS plastic, stainless steel, and soft fiber bristles to ensure safe cleaning without damaging delicate components. However, since it's a simple manual tool, it requires careful use to avoid pressing too hard on delicate speaker meshes. Pros: multifunction 3-in-1 cleaning design, compact and portable pen style, safe for earbuds and small electronics. Cons: requires gentle use to avoid damage. Brushes may wear over time. Deep stains may still need additional cleaning methods. On number 3 is the Gcioii memory. Titanium alloy earhooks are designed to improve the fit and security of Samsung Galaxy Buds 3, Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, and Galaxy Buds 3 FE during sports and active use. Made from lightweight titanium alloy, these earhooks are both durable and flexible, conforming to the shape of your ears for a comfortable, secure fit. They feature anti-slip design grooves to keep earbuds stable even during running, cycling, or gym workouts. Each set comes with an added anti-lost lanyard, which provides extra security by connecting the earbuds behind your neck, helping prevent accidental drops or loss. The hooks are coated with a smooth finish for comfort and to avoid irritation during prolonged use. Installation is straightforward and works without modifying the earbuds. In real-world use, they enhance the stability of earbuds significantly, especially for users who are active or have difficulty keeping earbuds in place. However, some users may find the hooks slightly noticeable during casual use, and they may add minimal bulk to the earbuds. Overall, these ear hooks are a practical accessory for active users seeking a secure fit and added safety for their Galaxy Buds. Pros: durable titanium alloy, anti-slip design for active use, includes anti-lost lanyard for extra security. Cons: slightly noticeable on the ear, adds minimal bulk, may require adjustment for optimal comfort. On number 4 is the HANDY-GAD 25-watt magnetic wireless charging pad, 2-pack. Is a versatile fast charging solution designed for multiple devices, including iPhone Air 17e/17/16/15/14 Pro Max, Samsung Galaxy S26/S25, Google Pixel 10, and AirPods. Each pad supports Qi 2.2 and Qi 2 MagSafe standards, enabling up to 25 watts fast charging for compatible phones, while also charging AirPods and other Qi-enabled devices efficiently. The magnetic alignment ensures that devices stay properly positioned for optimal charging, reducing the chance of misalignment or slow charging. Its compact, lightweight design makes it ideal for use on desks, nightstands, or while traveling. The pads come with anti-slip surfaces to prevent phones from sliding off, and include built-in temperature control and overcharge protection, keeping devices safe during charging. Setup is simple with a USB-C input, and the included 2-pack offers convenience for home and office or travel use. However, fast charging speeds may vary depending on the device and case thickness, and magnetic alignment works best with compatible MagSafe cases or thin phone cases. Overall, this is a reliable, convenient, and versatile wireless charging solution for households or travelers with multiple devices. Pros: 25-watt fast charging for multiple devices, magnetic alignment for stable charging, compact and portable design, 2-pack for added convenience. Cons: charging speed depends on device and case. Magnetic alignment may not work with thick or incompatible cases, not suitable for non-Qi devices. On number 5 is the Quntis 6-foot USB-C to USB-C cable. Is a reliable charging and data cable designed for everyday use with modern USB-C devices. It supports up to 60 watts fast charging, making it suitable for powering smartphones like iPhone 17/16/15 series, Pixel phones, as well as tablets like the iPad Mini 6 when paired with a compatible USB-C charger. The 6 feet, about 1.8 meters, length offers plenty of reach, letting you comfortably use your device while it charges, whether you're on the couch, in bed, or at a desk. Its nylon-braided exterior adds durability and helps resist tangles, fraying, and everyday wear, while the reinforced connectors improve longevity. In addition to charging, the cable supports data transfer at standard USB-C speeds, allowing file syncing between devices. The white finish gives it a clean, modern look that fits well with most tech gear. In real-world use, it provides stable power delivery and consistent performance for a wide range of USB-C devices. However, to reach the full 60-watt charging capability, you'll need a compatible high-wattage power adapter. Overall, it's a versatile and durable fast-charging cable for daily charging and connectivity needs. Pros: supports up to 60 watts fast charging, durable nylon-braided design, long 6 feet length for convenience. Cons: full speed depends on charger used. Data transfer limited to standard USB-C rates. White color may show dirt over time.